refers to a type of waterproofing method or system. It typically involves the use of materials or techniques designed to prevent water from penetrating a building structure or surface. APDM itself might refer to a specific brand, product, or method within the waterproofing industry. If you're looking for specific information or advice on APDM waterproofing, could you please clarify your question further? Installing waterproofing for APDM, all-weather precipitation detection and monitoring, radar systems involves several key steps to ensure the equipment remains functional and protected in various weather conditions. Here's a general guide. Assess the installation site. Ensure the radar is mounted in a location where it is least exposed to direct rainfall or other weather elements. This can include placing it under a shelter or canopy. Waterproofing radar components. Enclosures. Use waterproof enclosures for sensitive components like the radar receiver, transmitter, and power supply units. Ensure these enclosures have a proper IP, Ingress Protection rating suitable for outdoor use. Cable entries. Seal all cable entry points into the radar housing or enclosures using weatherproof cable glands or waterproofing tape. This prevents water from entering through these openings. Connectors. Use waterproof connectors for all cables connected to the radar. These connectors should have appropriate IP ratings to prevent water ingress. Antenna. Ensure the radar antenna itself is designed for outdoor use and is properly sealed against water. Any joints or connections in the antenna system should be weatherproofed. Sealing and maintenance. Regularly inspect the radar system for any signs of water ingress or damage to the waterproofing measures. Replace seals, gaskets, or waterproof tapes periodically or whenever they show signs of wear or deterioration. Consult manufacturer guidelines. Follow specific guidelines provided by the manufacturer of the APDM radar system. They may have specific instructions or recommended products for waterproofing that are tailored to their equipment. Testing. After installation, conduct tests to ensure the radar functions correctly under various weather conditions, including heavy rain. Professional installation. If unsure, consider hiring a professional technician experienced in installing radar systems to ensure proper waterproofing and functionality. By following these steps, you can effectively waterproof an APDM radar system to ensure reliable operation in all weather conditions.